Does this kind of shoot look familiar to you? Yep. We're back at Qdoba. It is March the 6th of 2000. People are entering Qdoba. There's everyone surrounding the place. And there's my mom ordering. My mom told me that my meal wasn't quite ready, so I think she's getting it. There she is. There it is.
The girl already knew. She already was getting it ready.
Yeah, who was the girl today?
I forgot her name for it. She's at one of the managers.
I think her name was Kathy. Here's the freestyle drink machine. Gonna get me a Dr. Pepper. Oh man, that's full. What's this you have here?
I got the shredded beef taco with cheese and the corn sauce on it.
I like the one you're obsessed with.
It's real good. I'm not obsessed with it, but I like it.
I know, that's just a term I use. I can see the cheese and the corn.
The beef's real good on it.
Yeah, and you got me a brownie, so my meal would be more filling.
Because you're usually still hungry after you eat.
Yeah. I've been creating a series of 10-minute videos. Tuesday was the 11-month anniversary that I got a Sony CCD-TR6 camera and started shooting videos on there.
That's good.
Oh, we're filming. No one wants to see you, like, chew like you say.
That's right.
Good thing I covered it up in time. Good thing I noticed. There are icicles. They're on the patio. Hey, Mom. I think once I'm finished eating, I'm gonna go out to the patio and film the icicles. I still have one piece of quesadilla left and the brownie, and I'm almost out of drink. I'm gonna go get me a refill.
Remember not the caffeine.
Alright. Sorry, you finished? Okay. What are you drinking there?
Water.
What kind of water? Show the camera. I already got a close-up on the label.
Okay.
Aquarius. Purified water.
That's probably a different brand.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Mom.
Now it says who makes this water.
Mom.
Yes.
Did you know that unlike my other camera, this one has a zoom lever? That way you can zoom in on things faster.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I've known about it ever since I borrowed Aunt Kate's camera. She had a camera like this, and I enjoyed it. That's the reason I got the TR7. But the TR7 stopped working, so I got this TR6. Don't tell Aunt Kate that.
Okay. Hoping maybe you can get her camera.
Okay. There's the brownie.
Good.
Yeah, it does. This is my first time since I've had this camera that I'm eating a brownie. I can't wait to show her my new camera. I love this brownie. Any of you that don't are sick. So I'm back at the machine and I'm getting a refill. This refill is for me to save for the afternoon when I go to Spa to see Maddie, and I'll bring my video camera. I'm gonna put another tape in. Here's the line. And there's someone joining the line. Hey, Mom. I'm making a series of 10-minute videos on here. Yeah. Apparently, I've said that twice. Like I wish Jackson happy birthday today. Twice. Oh. How about I carry my drink?
You always fill up too full, Corey.
Oh my, I know. This is Jeff. I don't know if he was in my December 22nd movie.
What's that?
I don't know if he was in my movie that I shot on the...
No, I wasn't.
Oh, goodness. Apparently, I came on December 22nd. I shot a movie here. Say that again.
I said it's good. Jeff is back.
I know.
Always liked him.
Yeah, he was visiting December 22nd. I was too shy to put him in the December 22nd movie.
Oh, but you put him in there.
Yeah, I put him in the March 6th movie. Oh. So before I go, as promised, I was gonna shoot a little video here on the patio. Snow all around. And here are some icicles that are hanging not too high from the gutters. Actually, they're just hanging from the gutters. Yeah, there they are. I know how they're still here. I mean, it's still kind of cold out. Oh, I'm standing on crackling ice. Oh, gosh. Here it isn't crackly. Yeah, and best part about the patio, I can shoot videos of traffic in case they run a red light. In this case, it's a red light, and everybody's stopping. Here's the sign right there. Qdoba Mexican Grill, we cater. Oh man. Here I'm getting a good shot now. Oh, I see it. I see it. Here comes the fire truck. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it is. Dang, I hope they don't see me. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Maybe there was a fire. And here's a green light. Everybody's going now. And here's my ride. A Buick Regal sedan, new for 2012. Okay, thank you for watching my vlog at Qdoba, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.